Oh, whoa, who is she? I'm so funny, LOL. Don't mind that, that's my wig.
Pretty young girl from Zambia, you know that she ain't with the drama. Light skinned girl, Osama, you know she the bomb, she cause trauma.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Hi, my name is Nyemba. If this is the first time you're seeing my face, I create YouTube videos, which you should subscribe to. Okay, so for today's video, I am in my very echoey bathroom, and I'm just showing you guys how I refresh my braids. So yeah, keep on watching. Don't forget to thumbs us up, share it with somebody, and subscribe. Enjoy. All right, so for starters, I have had these braids in for exactly 5 weeks now, and yeah, they're starting to look a bit, you know, crusty. And yeah, but I'm just showing you guys what I do to kind of revive them and what I do to just, you know, make them look a bit neater for a little while longer while I keep them in. So yeah, also let me know down below how long you guys keep your braids in, if you do braids. Yeah, I just want to know, I'm curious, you know. So the first thing I always do is wash my hair. So I washed it earlier in the day when I took a shower, so my scalp is all clean, and yeah, pretty much it's clean. That's what matters, because you don't want to be adding or, you know, putting product onto dirty hair. So yeah, it's clean right now, so that's a good thing. But then you can tell that it's a bit well, I actually don't know if you can tell, but you can see like my hair poking out of the braids and stuff. It's a bit, you know, she's a bit crusty right now. So I'm gonna show you, and like over here you can tell how I have quite some growth and my edges are just not cute. So yeah, the first thing I do is spritz my hair with plain water. So that's what we're gonna do. Too powerful. This is a flop right now, yeah.
Bang, 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 bang. It's the sound of a clock. Bang, 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 bang.
Alright, so once I work that in, it is time to start twisting my hair. So I just take this line, like the, you know, the first line on each side, and I'm going to twist it. Now, disclaimer for this method, if you have struggling edges, do not try this at home, because your edges can and will fall off. So I'm just tying the rest away so that I know what I'm doing. And okay, this is proving harder than it should be. Start twisting. Don't twist too much, but just twist once and tuck it behind your ear. Here as well, twist and tuck. Twist, and tuck. And did I do this one already? No, I didn't. Twist and tuck. And the same thing on the other side. Twist and tuck. A twist and tuck. Oh, twist and tuck. A twist and tuck. All right, so we are done with that part. I actually need a second hair tie, but since I don't have one, I'm just gonna use the same one I have. After you've tucked these, just tuck them into the ponytail so that they don't unravel. And yeah, there we go. And then now we gotta work on these edges because they're not cute. We're not coming to slay like this. Nuh-uh, no we're not. So let me zoom you guys in so you see my large forehead and my edges as well. All right, so now that you can see my 10 head and a little bit of my eyes and my edges, of course, I am taking some Eco Styler gel. Just looks like so, and I'm just gonna put it all over here.
Bang, 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 bang.
That's a Glock when I shoot at your face. Flip it up with the guys of the place. And settle up, nigga, pull up your waist. From the NY hood, I'm the young king coming. Fresh out the box, my wrist.
And now you get a toothbrush or a hairbrush that you can use to like slick down your edges. And just, you know, do what you gotta do. And done. All right, so once I'm done gelling my edges or edge controlling my edges, whichever, I get a satin or silk scarf and just wrap that around so they can lay flat. And boom. While those edges are laying, I take this sulfurate treatment anti-dandruff conditioner for braids and just spray that all over my braids, especially on my scalp. And I concentrate more on the top because that's where like my actual hair is, so I need it super conditioned. But then it still seeps through a little bit, so I add it to the rest. All right, so I will be back in about 20 minutes, I want to say, or less, depending on how long I think it would take for my edges to, you know, dry and stuff. So we'll give it about 20 minutes. I'll be back and finish up. Okay, so it's actually been about 15 minutes and I've now just taken off my scarf and my edges are laid. So let's continue. I'm gonna take all my braids out of the ponytail, and now that I have access to my whole head, I'm just going to spray more of this stuff all over. And the final step for me is just to oil my scalp. I'm using this argan oil that I got from Poundland, so you can literally use any oil or any hair. Yeah, and it broke. Any oil that's good for your hair, basically. For me, I'm not really oil sensitive. I pretty much use any and everything on my scalp. So yeah, just taking a few squirts of this in my palm and applying it.
Bang, 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 bang. It's the sound of a clock. Bang, 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 bang. It's the sound of a clock. Bang, 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 bang. It's the sound of a clock. Bang.
Done. So yeah, this is pretty much what it looks like. Let me zoom you guys in. Oh, I need to raise y'all a little bit. Going up, going up, going. Okay, I need to calm down and focus, y'all. So yeah, you can see that my edges are laid. Besides that one little one, I'll put the scarf on again. But yeah, and it looks pretty neat. So you're welcome. You are welcome, sweetie. I need to stop. No. Okay. Alright y'all, so that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful to some extent, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video, which will be next week, of course. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell button so that you're notified every time I upload. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!